Will help you access the mood sound effects in Capcut Mobile completely for free tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. To access mood sound effects to your video clip, make sure it's deselected by clicking on the timeline. Bottom left hand screen and click audio. The right and click sound effects. Underneath here, you want to scroll to the right until you see the option mood. Click the sound effects. Capcut Mobile will preview the audio. Once you're happy or satisfied, click the plus blue icon. It adds to the free Capcut Mobile timeline. If you want to add multiple, do the same thing. Effects, mood, and click the plus icon. You can see multiple sound effects is adding on the timeline below. Say this is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.